Hello everyone! In the previous tutorials, we create the character movement and make the camera look around the world, so both the movement and the character mechanics are now working. But this is not enough for an FPS game. We need to add more mechanics. And today we are going to make our character jump. Before we start, if you can, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. It really helps me and encourages me to keep creating more videos for you. You can also become a channel member for some extra perks. Alright, let's get started. Go to your player folder, then inside that, open the IMC folder. Inside the IMC, go into the inputs folder. Now, right click and create a new input action. Name this one jump input. Double click on it and make sure the value type is set to bool. In the previous tutorials, we use axis for movement, but for jumping, we use bool because it is simple yes or no question. Are we jumping or not jumping? If we are, then we jump, that's it. Save it, close it, and go back to your IMC folder. Now double click your player IMC file. Here, create a new input and assign it to the jump input we just made. Under jump input, let's assign a key. I will use the spacebar. You can either find it under keyboard or just press the key directly. When it is assigned, save and close. Next, go back to your player blueprint, double click to open it, zoom in and search for jump input. Here it is. I will extend it. Now from the jump input, you will see different values including action value. But we don't need all of them. All we need to do is, when we press the button, call jump, and when we release it, call stop jumping. That's it. A really simple setup, but it works great in Unreal Engine. Now compile, save, and press play. You will see that our character can now jump. Perfect! I hope you enjoyed this short tutorial. In every new video, we will keep adding one more mechanic to our game. If there is a specific mechanic you would like to see next, comment below and let me know what you want me to add, and I will make it for you guys. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.